I'm Joseph Hoffman, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to play Angels We Have Heard on High from Hoffman Academy's Christmas Favorites for Piano Elementary level. The challenge level of this tutorial is best for pianists with about 1 to 2 years of piano experience. If that sounds right for you, let's come to the piano to get started. By the way, you can get the sheet music for Angels We Have Heard on High from the Hoffman Academy website, or you can download the book, Christmas Favorites for Piano, from Amazon, and this is one of the songs in that collection. Just use the links below to find that. Pause if you need some time to get your sheet music, and when you're ready, let's come into position. Our finger 3 for the right hand will start on this E. Left hand finger 1 will start on this middle C. So you'll notice your two hands will both have to share this middle C. And so once you've found that position, let's just start with the right hand, finger 3 on E. Angels we have. So 3 repeats on E and then skip up to G. Angels we have. Now you try. And then heard on high. Just start on G and step down. Heard on high. Your turn. Good, now let's put that together. Angels we have heard on high. Now you try. Good, and then sweet. We start on E again. Step down, step up. Sweetly sing, and then skip up for ing. Sweetly singing. Now you try. Good, and then o'er the plains. Your turn. Good, and then the repeat sign takes us back and we do the words down underneath now. And the mountains in reply. Now you try. Good, and be careful on that rhythm in measure 2. It's 1, 2, and 3. In reply. 1, 2, and 3. Now you try. Count it out loud with me. Go. 1, 2, and 3. So that 8th note comes right on the and of 2. 1, 2, and 3. Go. 1, 2, and 3. Good. Pause if you need some extra practice with that rhythm. Otherwise, let's go on to echo. Echoing their joyous strains. Now you try. And these words here say echo back their joyous strains, which is one variation. This is originally a French carol, so it depends on how you translate it. So whether you say echo back, or I grew up singing echoing their joyous strains, you can sing it however you want to. Now, let's take a look at the left hand. Finger 1 is going to start here on middle C, and it's going to wait. The first 3 beats are rest, angels we, and then it comes in on beat 4. Now let's just look at the left hand. So we start on beat 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it just steps down, then back up. Now let's try it together. We'll have 3 beats of rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And then going on, we have C, B, C. Then we're going to stretch down to E. Finger 5 has to come all the way down to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. Good, and then it skips up to G. 1, 2, and 3. There's that rhythm again. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now you try. Good, now let's look at this hands together. The right hand starts 3 notes. 1, 2, 3. Then the left hand comes in. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And then together, step down, step up, left hand stretches down, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now, pause the video and practice line 1. You can work right hand alone, then left hand alone. Then if you are ready for the challenge of hands together, you can try that as well, and then press play when you're ready to go on to the next line. Good. Now, for measure 5, the right hand's going to have to shift up. Finger 4 is going to come and land on this G, and that will get us ready to play these notes that are coming. 1, 2. Note, that's a half note, so it needs to wait 2 beats. 1, 2, and then 8th notes. 3 and 4, and those will go a lot faster. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then here, switch to finger 3. That's really important, so you don't run out of fingers. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2. Then the left hand takes over the melody. Gloria. Good. Now watch all that one more time. Finger 4, and don't forget to wait 2 beats on each of those half notes. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and finger change. Finger 3, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now, pause the video and work on just the right hand for that section, then press play when you're ready to go on. Good, now let's take a look at what the left hand is doing. Finger 3 is going to start on E here, and then step up, then skip down, then step up, then skip down. And you'll notice these measures form a kind of pattern. Both the right hand and the left hand form a really cool pattern. That's my favorite part of the whole song. In fact, when my boys were little, they would sing this part so adorably. Glow, with their little lips puckered out. I just love this part so much. Now let's look at just the left hand alone. So, try this with me. Finger 3 is on E. We'll play it for 2 beats, then step up. Hold that for 2 beats, skip down to D, step up, skip down to C, and then here the pattern breaks. Finger 2 is going to reach up to this A, and then B, Re, Notice that last step down is it's going to lead us into the next measure, but let's stop there and watch all of that hands together now. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. Left hand's got to reach up, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, Re, All right, pause the video and work on that. If you'd like to just do it right hand alone, left hand alone, and save the hands together for another day, whatever you feel ready to tackle, work on that line, then press play when you're ready to go on. Now, starting in measure 9, just looking at right hand, we start on middle C, and we just step up, step up, step up, step up, step down, hold, step down, hold. For those half notes, make sure you hold those 2 beats. Let's try that together. Play along with me, starting on C for In Excelsis Deo. Go. In Excelsis, step down, hold, hold. Good. Now let's look at the left hand. The left hand is following a similar pattern, but we're going to start finger 5 on E, and they both step up together. Step up, step up, step up. Let's try that. So put your left hand, finger 5. Let's just do left hand alone. Go. E, step up, step up, step up, step down, and then skip up. Good. Pause if you'd like any time to practice that. Otherwise, let's look at this hands together. Start, step up, step up, step up. Both hands step down. Then the right hand's going to step down while the left hand skips up for Deo. In Excelsis Deo. And notice here we're inside what's called the first ending. That bracket with the 1 inside means first ending. It means only play those notes the first time. Then you'll see this repeat sign, which teleports you back to measure 5 for the Gloria part again. I'll play this fast so we can just get through this. So I can show you then here, you're not allowed to go back into the first ending because it's only for the first time. Now we teleport to the second ending for De, He, O. Notice the De is the same, but then we end with this final chord. So again, the first time through, you go through the first ending, repeat back to measure 5, then go through it again, skip the first ending, go to the second ending, and then you're done. Now, pause if you'd like any time to practice any of that. Otherwise, let's hear a full playthrough. You're welcome to try playing along with me, just right hand or just left hand. Or if you want to just listen, that's fine as well. I'll count 4 beats, and then we'll get started. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you'll notice in measure 5, I got softer. That's because of this piano marking. It's like the angels are starting to come down, but they're kind of quiet at first. Like, wait, what's that sound I'm hearing? And as the angels come down, we're going to get louder and louder, starting with this crescendo marking, and then it will build up to a really exciting in excelsis Deo, which means glory to God in the highest. Down on measure 9, we're going to get up to that really exciting forte sound. So make sure you follow those dynamics to make this even more exciting. I hope you enjoyed learning Angels We Have Heard on High on the piano. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can watch hundreds of piano lessons for free at hoffmanacademy.com. That's right, it's part of my mission to make piano learning accessible, affordable, and fun, which is why I don't charge or have a paywall in front of any of my video lessons. If you'd like to support what I do, you can purchase Christmas Favorites for Piano, available for download in the Hoffman Academy store, or you can order a physical copy from Amazon delivered right to you. Christmas Favorites for Piano has many favorite holiday songs for you to enjoy, so it's the perfect way to make your Christmas more musical. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing. Hey, Princess, do you know why it's always so cold at Christmas? Why? Because it's December. Sheesh. No better way to get myself in the Christmas spirit than getting a sheesh from Princess. Double sheesh. Wow, it's going to be a good Christmas this year. Glory.